Welcome to one of North America's most remarkable volcanic landscapes, the 20-mile lava trail in Idaho's Hell's Half-Acre Wilderness Study Area. Today we're exploring this geological wonder formed thousands of years ago, where ancient lava flows created a surreal landscape that feels like walking on another planet. The 20-mile lava trail, a nearly 10-mile out and back, that takes you through the heart of one of the youngest lava fields in the continental United States. There's also a short 9/10 of a mile loop trail to introduce folks to lava hiking. It is a challenging hike due to the terrain of loose and sharp rocks and many crevices. The trails are marked with poles. Blue-topped poles indicate the shorter loop trail, while red-topped poles are for the main trail. Hell's Half-Acre is located in eastern Idaho, approximately 25 miles west of Idaho Falls along U.S. Highway 20. Despite its name, this wilderness study area spans nearly 66,200 acres of basaltic lava flows. The area sits on the eastern Snake River Plain, a massive depression stretching across southern Idaho that was formed by the movement of the North American Plate over the Yellowstone hotspot. What makes this area so fascinating is that it represents one of the most recent chapters in the Snake River Plain's volcanic history. The vast lava field we're exploring today erupted from a series of fissures approximately 4,100 to 5,200 years ago, practically yesterday in geological terms. Let's walk through the timeline of this incredible landscape. 13 to 17 million years ago, the Yellowstone hotspot was located beneath what is now the western Idaho, Oregon, Nevada border region, creating massive eruptions. 4 to 7 million years ago, as the North American Plate moved southwest over the stationary hotspot, volcanic activity migrated eastward across the Snake River Plain. Approximately 5,200 years ago, a series of eruptions began in this area with basaltic lava flowing from fissures in the Earth's crust. Between 4,100 and 5,200 years ago, the main eruption period that created Hell's Half-Acre occurred. During this time, low viscosity Pahoho lava flowed across the landscape, creating the features we see today. The amazing thing about Hell's Half-Acre is that the Native American inhabitants of this region would have witnessed these eruptions. The Shoshone and Bannock peoples incorporated these dramatic events into their oral traditions and considered this area sacred. The 20-mile lava trail was established in the 1980s as part of the Bureau of Land Management's efforts to provide public access to this unique landscape while protecting its fragile features. The trail is named for its proximity to the historical 20-mile stage station that once served travelers along the old Oregon Trail. Here we can see classic Pahoho lava, characterized by its smooth, rope-like appearance. This forms when low-viscosity lava cools relatively slowly, allowing the surface to form these distinctive twisted patterns. These raised areas are pressure ridges, formed when the cooling outer crust of the lava flow was pushed upward by still molten lava beneath it. They create natural pathways through the lava field that early explorers and indigenous people would have used. Throughout Hell's Half-Acre, you'll find lava tubes and caves. These formed when the outer surface of lava flows cooled and hardened, while the molten interior continued flowing, eventually emptying out and leaving these hollow tunnels behind. In 1976, Hell's Half-Acre was designated as a wilderness study area by the Bureau of Land Management, giving it special protected status. This designation helps preserve both the geological features and the fragile desert ecosystem that has developed here. Unfortunately, despite its protected status, the area faces threats from illegal off-road vehicle use, vandalism, and improper waste disposal. That's why it's crucial for visitors to practice leave no trace principles and stay on designated trails. The best times to visit the 20-mile lava trail are during spring and fall when temperatures are moderate. Summer days can be extremely hot, with temperatures often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's very little shade on the trail. Early morning or evening visits provide the most comfortable conditions and the most dramatic lighting for photography. Winter visits can be rewarding too, as a light dusting of snow creates a striking contrast against the black lava. However, be aware that access roads may be difficult or impassable after heavy snowfall. Remember to bring plenty of water, sun protection, and sturdy footwear. The trail is considered moderately difficult due to uneven surfaces and some elevation changes, but most reasonably fit visitors can complete the 9.9-mile loop in about 4 to 7 hours. There is plenty of parking, but no restrooms at the trailhead. The 20-mile lava trail offers a window into Earth's volcanic processes and shows how landscapes evolve over thousands of years. This relatively young geological feature reminds us that our planet remains active and dynamic, constantly changing beneath our feet. If you're planning a trip through eastern Idaho, I highly recommend taking a few hours to experience this extraordinary landscape. The 20-mile lava trail at Hell's Half Acre isn't just a hike. It's a journey through time that connects us to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet for billions of years. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the 20-mile lava trail. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more natural wonders, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy trails.